In Holland you have an interesting society. It is predominantly cro-magnon, lots of tall blondes. Being a recessive gene, these must have originated in isolation, perhaps on an island. In particular the Frisians, being the really tall ones, living closest to the centre of the North Sea. Maybe the more direct descendants of the Doggerlanders. This was a sunken island once in the North Sea. The Dutch specialise in water management. Why? Amsterdam is built on a swamp of groundwater, houses on poles stuck into the ground. Holland is unique in being below sea level, a sunken land. One can only speculate. Did the Dutch recall good land sinking into the sea and wish to bring it back? To rise Atlantis again? Over millennia, the Dutch have literally created land out of the sea. Half the country is self-created by the industrious population. The windmills you see are mainly water pumps, and some are for grain. How it works is this. The land-winning system is called the Polder system. First, poles are rammed into the beach, slightly into the water. Then the tide brings in sand, and the poles hold the sand in place so that the receding tide cannot take it out again. Then it slowly grows and grass is planted so it all sticks together. That's the basics. They also built dams and dikes, the best flood control system you can imagine. The Frisians may have retained ancient techniques for holding back the water, which they passed on to the rest of the Dutch. Perhaps the Polder system was used in Atlantis too, and this is why it was so easy for that island to once sink. Despite claims it was fake, the Orea Linda Book is written in Old Frisian. It claims to date from about 2000 BC. It talks about Atlantis using the name ATLAND and land sinking into the sea. What is real? What is fake? No one knows for certain, and claims the Orea Linda Book are fake are not proven at this stage. Merely probabilities and suggestions. So what is the truth? I think the book might not be an outright fake document, as they took pains to date the flood to 2190 BC in the Orea Linda manuscript. It's the time of the biblical Noah flood, which suggests to me that parts of the document may have originated in monasteries. The flood story passed to monasteries who perhaps redated it with biblical chronology. But who knows what is really going on? Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, consider becoming a patron or checking out my cool, easy-to-read book, Confessions of the Gods. Have a great day.